Do you think that Jim is right? Is the market saying, is the market speaking? Is this the last bad number, Sri?
Andrew, I don't believe that at all. I think the bad numbers are going to keep coming. And if you think in terms of why the 10-year yield dropped in the last few minutes, that has been the history of the 10-year yield over the last year. I've been on your program repeatedly and been asked every time when the yield came down why I was still anticipating a 2% yield on the 10-year. And I thought it would hit 2%. And now I continue to say we are going to hit 3%, if not higher, Andrew. The reason is fuel prices are going to remain high. The Russia-Ukraine crisis continues, and we still haven't dealt with the possibility that Russia could stop off any energy exports, and that would be a big push-up for energy inflation and overall inflation. So we are hardly done yet with this problem.
So you think these inflation numbers are hardly over, but you're starting to see them at least come down in terms of used car pricing. You're seeing some chips come back on the market. What does that mean to new car pricing? We're talking before about lumber. How do you square that with the energy piece? Or are there other component parts that we should be focusing on?
Yeah, lumber has come down due to special factors. One is we expect more lumber to come from Canada with easier trade relationship. We have a push. But when you look at other areas like steel, steel is affected not only by Russian and Ukraine exports, but it is also affected, Andrew, by the fact that steel requires a lot of energy to get produced, and that in turn pushes the price up. So while you have had used car prices come down, food prices have increased substantially, as the Food and Agriculture Organization said, about 13% just since February, not annualized, just cumulative in the last 2 months. And you have had close to 45% over the past year. And rents are starting to increase. This was, again, an expectation of mine a few months ago, and rents are going to continue to go up. So used car prices are no relief for me if I have to pay higher rent and higher price for food.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.